Hi everyone. So in this session we are going to learn about the tables. So which types of tables contained of the table, then its attributes. So those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get a updated session notification to watch that. So now we are starting with this. So table is the main important part in HTML tag or HTML language. If you want to describe the employee name or its salary or its rank, so we can do it by using table or something like that. If we want to display the price of the fruits or price of the vegetables, so we can also do this by using table. So basic commands of the table in this session. So we have to first write the HTML tags, coded tag, then its header, title name is HTML table, then head section, then inside the body we can do it the table. So we have to just open and closing of the table. Now in table there are two sections, one for the column and one for the uh, row. So basically for row it is denoted as table row, means TR, and for columns it is denoted as TD. So inside the TR the multiple columns are present. So here I am closing that TR, and for column I am writing here TD and closing of TD. So if I am writing the employee name, so maybe the Sagar, then in the next column if I want to display that salary of the Sagar, so we can do it here like 15k. Now we can copy and paste it again to display for the next row, or we can see the first result so that we can get a better idea. I'm saving table dot html here. I am running the commands. So you can see here, because I've not described any of the border or something like that. So if we want to display inside border equal to 1, sorry, 2, then saving this and refreshing the browser, so you can see that Sagar is denoted at border within the table border. Now again we have to copy and paste it that table row in, so that we can see multiple rows and columns are available. So it will appear in this within two columns, but rows are definitely going to be varies. Now after refreshing this we can see the, if I want to change the name of the person, so we can do it like Mohit, then Jigar, then next one is Raul. After saving this, when I'm refreshing, the data is getting updated. So this is all about the table. So if we want to add the header of the table, so we can also do that for showing header. So I'm just writing one header here, so I need to remove this here, and it's t sorry th for the header, closing of th, then employee name, employee name as the table header, and the next one is salary, employee salary. So after refreshing the page, it will appear as a, this is a header, so it will appear in the bold format. By default the table header is appearing in the bold. If I want to change the color of the table, so I will do that. We have to write it bg color for table color equal to yellow, and yes, I can do this. So when I am refreshing the table, so it will appear in the yellow color. So these are some attributes available to use in the table. We can also do it for multiple tables, like if I'm writing this table, uh, so I can use it saying this in the next table. So I'm just changing name so that we can get some ideas. So which table I am referring to, like vegetable, vegetable name, table and price, keeping here as a, sorry, price of the vegetable. I am not changing any of the other name, so it will appear in the next table with this same. So this is all about the table. So hope you'll understand this topic. If you have any query or any doubts, please comment in the comment box, so that I can make another video for this. And for more commands we are going to discuss in next session, so please watch that as well to complete that table section. Thank you.